everyone had a great week. Sorry if you guys hear a lot of background noise because I am at a cafe right now. And I don't have a place to work in peace. But another big week. I think this week we got tech earnings. And again, this is why I love the Discord. And if you guys aren't in it, make sure to join it. It's free. Even the free channel has a bunch of stuff that you might find useful. So this week we got Netflix, we got Tesla, and then I believe we got Amazon and others reporting next week. So literally the next 2 weeks are very, very critical for the market besides just news that we're used to with the Fed interest rate hikes, etc. So if anything bad happens, geez, these 2 weeks would absolutely crush it. We had a sale on the Discord, a flash sale for 2 days for 30%. And this is why I say, just join the Discord and join every platform because sometimes there's a flash sale or whatever the case might be, and you might be able to scoop yourself a membership for very cheap. I know that was a little unfair to you guys on YouTube, so I am doing a YouTube sale. I'll put the code in the description below. But the code is YOU 20, all capital, case sensitive, and that'll be on Chance Trades and on callsorputs.com. So you could use it on both, and you could use it on any membership. On callsorputs.com, make sure after you press subscribe now to actually use the drop-down menu and click on which membership you're looking for, because if not, you're going to be stuck on the load screen forever. And if you guys haven't subscribed to the newsletter, make sure to do so here. All you do is type in your email and you subscribe, and every weekend, I know I skipped last week, I think I was on a trip or something, but every weekend you'll get a newsletter of the specific levels that I am watching and where I think the market will go, whether it's towards the upside or towards the downside. For the past few YouTube videos, we have never changed our view on the market, and I continue to be bearish on the market. Here you have my charts for short term or long term. Let's take a dive in, and again, YouTube is going to be solely on the market. If you guys are a premium member, you could check out the Discord and request charts every week. So make sure to do that if you are interested in specific tickers, but you really don't need all of this to be successful in trading. All you really need is SPY, QQQ, or any of the large indexes. They're super liquid, and a lot of traders trade it, so you get a lot of reactions out of these technical levels. Let's check out what trades we took last week. And I don't know why the bot is down, but again, you see I post every single one of my trades. And I post the gains as well. Members are happy. The new way sucks because you don't really get to see the percent, but you just see me saying 20, 25%, whatever. It used to be like this, and I don't know why the bot just stopped working. Was it here? Stopped working for a bit. See, 45%, 50%. Stopped working for a bit. I don't know why. Here. Back then, it used to be able to calculate everything, and it'll post it, but now we got to work with what we got. Members are obviously happy. We had like the largest sale. I honestly did not know that people would actually buy Quant, the lifetime membership, and you have the opportunity to do so for 20% off. And we got Tony. Tony loves calls or puts. Let me see if I can find him. Tony. Let's see, same as Tony Chopper. Let me see if I can find him. I don't know why I can't, but love cop. See, I fucking love cops. Every time. It's crazy. He's just making money all the time. But anyways, let's get right into the market. Again, the code is U20, YOU20. And I'll send it out again on the newsletter as well so you guys can see. But as for the market, this is my short-term projection. These are the only two levels I will be watching in the short term. There's nothing else. I told the team, and I am, again, in puts, full disclosure. not financial advice, but literally every video I tell you guys what I am in. And I think the past week or two, I made over $30,000. So these are the only two levels that I will be watching this coming week. We are within this level that is illiquid, so I think we should at least tag the open imbalance towards the downside, which is a 50-point move towards the downside. And I do think that the market's going to go bananas. VIX has also set it up for a huge, I mean, this looks like a classic cup and handle. If you go to the weekly, it's even scarier because you have this huge, actually for this one, we gotta go to the, I think it was in my long term. Within my long term chart, we go to VIX here and go onto the weekly. It looks very, very scary. This is what I call a parabolic curve, and it looks we are ready to rip to the upside. And we haven't even tagged VIX on the 40 yet, and people say that a bear market usually never ends at least until it tags above 45, so we still got a long way to go there. This is primed for some sort of rip. I don't know when. It's hard to time the markets. I only play the levels right then and there. So I do think that the market's ready to just dump again. And the only open imbalance I see after the initial two levels I showed you is this 329.4 level on ES. And again, if you guys don't know what ES is, it's literally the SPY, but it's a little off right now. It's like by 20 points. So 359.7 is actually 357 on the SPY. But this is what I trade since it goes and has more price action, price history, since it's trading longer throughout the day. But again, next week we got, for the economic calendar, I love Market Watch. We got Thursday and Friday, which are what I would say is the most important ones. Initial jobless claims again, and common inflation expectations. At the same time, I think Thursday you got Tesla reporting earnings as well, and on Tuesday you got Netflix. So, and then the next week you have Amazon and the other big techs reporting earning. So it's gonna be a crazy, crazy week. And if you guys need your hands held, make sure to join the Discord. This thing is great because I don't even need to look at the news. You have people in here like all day just talking about news, posting news. It's not a data, it's what they're finding is important to them. So I like it. It's like double, triple filter. And we work as a team here, so make sure to check it out. It's free unless you want alerts. If you want alerts, go to chancetrades.com. Check that out. Closerputs.com for option sweeps. And again, people love it for a reason. I love it because I made it. Click the watch list level. I can see every single thing I want for the ETFs. It's probably loading, and we're at a cafe, so. But this one's an opening position for December 30th for $1 million. So be very, very careful going past midterms. And with that being said, I am out. I said it was going to be a short and sweet video. Again, we touched bases on ES already and VIX. I think downside is to come again, and more downside to come. We have never been bullish for the past few videos, and it has been great. Every pop we sold, and a lot of money to be made. And they're all within this. So come join us and have a great weekend. Bye bye.